Hi and hello. Today we will be talking about Sematext Experience. So let's jump right in and talk about how to install Sematext Experience on your WordPress website. To take full advantage of Sematext Experience, all you have to do is copy and paste 2 lines of code into your HTML head tag of your site. Yes, there is code, but it's super easy, so don't panic. First, let's create a Sematext account. Visit the Sematext website or click the link down below in the description box and create an account. Now we are looking at the Sematext Cloud dashboard. Think of this as a workbench with many different tools attached to it. Sematext has tools for monitoring everything from front end, back end, logs, infrastructure, you name it. But we are interested in experience. So go to the Experience tool, that's the real user monitoring tool that we want, and create your first Experience app. Name it and select which type of site you have. Sematext Experience supports single page sites, React sites, Angular sites, any type of site you have. But since we are using WordPress, we are going to click Standard Website and click Create App. And now click on the WordPress tab. And here you will see a script that we need to copy and paste into our website's head tag. So where are we going to put this? Because WordPress is a high-level, no-coding solution, the easiest way to implement and manage your code snippets is with a third-party plugin. To do this, within your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click the button to Add New Plugins. Search for a WordPress plugin that allows you to add code snippets to your header or footer of your site. It really doesn't matter which plugin you use as long as you can add JavaScript code to your headers, but we recommend using WP Code, previously named Insert Header and Footer Custom Code Snippets. That name just rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? Install the plugin of your choice and activate it. Now access the plugin settings. Typically, this can be found under the Settings or Tools, and locate the section for adding code snippets. Copy and paste the Sematext Experience script obtained from the other tab, and be sure to put this inside of the head and not the body of the HTML code. Now let's verify that all of that is working by opening up a new tab and visiting your website. And Sematext will confirm that it is now monitoring your site. You now have the tools available to you to effectively monitor and optimize your website. We did set up alerts for you by default, but make sure that you customize these alerts under the Alert tab. More on alerts in this video over here. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any help at all, feel free to reach out to us in the comment section down below, and we'll answer as soon as possible. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep monitoring, everybody.